episode is going to be looking at how we come and prep our bodies into Vasisthasana. So Vasisthasana is essentially a variation of the side plank. So in plank poses, of course, we have to engage our core, but because in this variation we're taking our one leg up towards the sky, we need really open hamstrings. So I'm going to be taking you through some of the prep poses on how to master Vasisthasana. Let's come and meet on the mat.
The first pose that I recommend is PASCHIMOTTANASANA. This pose is a very simple and yet effective posture that allows you to lengthen your hamstrings. Why is this important? It's because when we're coming into the full expression of your Vasisthasana, we need really long and open hamstrings, in which case any forward fold for that matter is going to be completely beneficial for you. So never neglect any single forward fold, even if you dislike them. The head to knee pose is another beautiful variation of a forward fold that concentrates on one hamstring at a time. You would start by bending one knee and place the sole of the foot to the inside of the inner thigh, and then fold your chest down across the extended leg. Take a few breaths here, and then make sure to swap across to the other side. Wide angle seated forward bend is also a wonderful variation of a forward fold that really starts to engage your inner thighs here. You can rest on your forearms, maybe place a pillow underneath your forehead, but really concentrate on lowering down in chronological order. What I mean by that is belly first, followed by chest, followed by chin. This helps you avoid rounding your back. The next pose is your plank pose, which is going to be really useful to reminding you to engage that core. You can also make it a little bit harder and more challenging by lowering down onto the forearms. Breathing here and feel your core engage. We now come into the variations of side planks that you can take. The first one is your forearm variation. The next pose is side plank again, except placing your bottom knee on the floor. This will help support you until you feel strong enough to extend both legs. The next variation is your straight leg option, where you stack your top foot directly above the bottom one. Make sure you keep your hips elevated. Tree variation may be nice for you as well. It is slightly more challenging than the previous plank postures and should help engage your core here. I really like this scissoring legs action, and the idea is to try and bring that top leg as high and as slowly as you can. So you're really having to engage your hips and test the length of your hamstrings as you scissor up and down. Let's get ready for the full expression, everyone. 2 peace fingers wrap around your big toe. Find the balance and start to extend the leg to the top and lean a little bit further backwards here. I really recommend this because this will help you in your balance. If you are wobbling a little bit, keep your gaze down to the floor, and when you find the balance, then start to slowly lift the gaze up. Remember, this is as much of a stretch as it is a strength-based posture.
Thank you everyone for joining us in today's tutorial. I hope that you found it helpful. Remember to keep practicing and don't give up. If you've got any comments, just drop it right down below in the comment section and I'll be sure to respond to you. In the meantime, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're enjoying the episodes. Stay safe, everyone. Keep a happy mind and a happy heart. Namaste.